welcome to another blog post and video tutorial at the Tonic Studios blog and YouTube channel. It's Laura here from makingcardsisfun.com, and for today's card I decided to get creative with Aqua Flow pens and the Perfect Petunia Stamp Set. Let's get started. I'm starting out with a piece of Craft Perfect watercolor cardstock that I cut to 4 1/4 inch by 5 1/2. And then I am going to use my stamp press and some black shadow Nuvo ink to stamp this petunia from the Perfect Petunia Stamp Set. I decided to stretch these stamps and make this flower look like a sunflower instead of a petunia. When you first use these Aqua Flow markers, you need to remove the yellow band, and you don't need to save this. Next, you simply twist your marker, keep it nice and straight until the two pieces are together. And finally, you just press the marker, shake it really well, and then it's ready to use. I'm using the Lemon Zest Aqua Flow marker to color this flower, and then I am using a Aqua Flow shimmer pen. This is the glitter gloss marker, and I am using that glitter gloss marker to blend out the yellow and to create a really beautiful and sparkly image. I went back in with that yellow color a couple of times and blended that out with the glitter gloss marker just to create some more brightness. To color that centerpiece of the sunflower, I used the Cinnamon Stick Aqua Flow marker. So here I'm just showing you again how I colored these flowers. As you can see, I went back in with that Lemon Zest marker a couple of times just to add some brightness to this sunflower, because the Lemon Zest color is quite a pale color, but when you layer it up, you will definitely get a more vibrant yellow color. After coloring that, I used the layering mixed rectangle die cut set from Tonic Studios to die cut my watercolor piece, and I also die cut a rectangle using champagne classic cards from Craft Perfect. I went ahead and die cut this Enjoy die multiple times out of Craft Perfect white cardstock, and I am layering these dies together using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to create a nice thick and almost chipboard looking sentiment piece. Finally, I'm adhering the sunflower piece on the top to finish this up. Next, I die cut the more detailed Enjoy greeting out of some black cardstock, and I'm going to adhere that on top of the other piece using my Tonic Nuvo Smooth Precision adhesive pen. I went ahead and used my tweezers to hold my die and to dab that on some scrap paper to remove the excess adhesive. Finally, I die cut another one of that Enjoy greeting, and I'm going to adhere it on top of the black Enjoy sentiment, but this time I'm kind of offsetting that just to have some more shading and dimension. I die cut a piece of pattern paper from the Woodland Walk pattern paper pad, and I cut that to 4 inch by 5 1/4 because that's what my finished card base measures. Then I adhered that die cut sunflower piece on top of that champagne cardstock, and finally I can perfectly and easily position that Enjoy greeting over there. So I'm using my Tonic Nuvo Deluxe adhesive. And then to finish off this card, I went ahead and adhered some Champagne Shine Pure Sheen Sequins from Nuvo on this card using my Smooth Precision adhesive pen. And I'm also using some White Blizzard Nuvo drops along with the Dandelion Yellow crystal drops. And there you go. So that finishes up this card. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to never miss an update, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.